Good afternoon. It is truly my distinct pleasure to welcome you all to the 2023 Makhlouf Haddadin Lecture. We are very thrilled and honored to host Professor Michael Graetzel from EPFL to deliver the 2023 Makhlouf Haddadin Lecture. The late Professor Haddadin retired from AUB in 2022 after 57 years of outstanding research, extraordinary services, mentoring, and inspiring so many generations of students. On September 21, 2022, Professor Haddadin sadly passed away in his native Jordan. May he rest in peace. Professor Haddadin is deeply rooted in our department. He was the father of our department and the source of inspiration for many of us. His departure has left a big void in our department that no other person is able to fill. We miss his wisdom every day. On February 8, 2011, the Makhlouf Haddadin Endowment was initiated, and on March 18, 2015, the Makhlouf Haddadin Lectureship was launched. Professor Graetzel is the 21st speaker of the Makhlouf Haddadin Lectureship. Professor Graetzel develops photosystems for the generation of electricity and chemical fuels from sunlight. He is well known for his discovery of mesoscopic dye-sensitized solar cell named after him, Graetzel's solar cell, which in turn prompted the rise of perovskite solar cells, triggering a second revolution in photovoltaics. Professor Graetzel's pioneering work was recognized by a long list of awards and accolades. He is a member of several learned societies and has received 14 honorary doctorate degrees from European and Asian universities. In the leaflet you have with you, it says 12, but since we sent that for printing, he received 2 new honorary doctorate degrees. His over 1,800 publications had a major impact on the photovoltaic field. A recent bibliometric ranking by Stanford University places Professor Graetzel first amongst 100,000 worldwide leading scientists across all areas of science. According to the 2022 Web of Science, Professor Graetzel is currently the most highly cited chemist in the world. According to today's Google Scholar, Professor Graetzel's H-index is 295, with around 466,000 citations. Literally, the number changed by 6,000 citations since I first announced he's going to be here at AUB a couple of weeks ago. Professor Graetzel's talk is entitled Molecular Photovoltaics and the Rise of Perovskite Solar Cells. Professor Graetzel, the floor is yours.
Well, thank you, Bilal. It's a great pleasure to be invited to this famous lectureship. And I like to also pay respect to Professor Makhlouf Haddadin and to the family members that are here. They have specially come from Jordan to join for this lecture. It's a tremendous honor for me. His brother, his spouse, his sister, niece are here, some other relatives. So it's a family. And I like to especially express my gratitude to President Fadlo. And he said I should call him by his first name. So Fadlo, thank you for taking the time. I know you're very, very pressed in time, and also the provost is here. So, well, it's a great honor, and so let's get going. I'll try to talk to you about our research and what we have been aiming for, our motivation and our passions, and what that has brought about at the end.
Thank you so much for your time. Professor Graetzel, I know how hard it has been to arrange this. We literally changed your flight 3 times. The last time it was last week. We would like to present you a small token of appreciation. I would greatly appreciate if President Fadl Khouri and Provost Zahir Dawi will join us on stage. Professor Graetzel, if you can join us, please.
Oh, wow. Very precious. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure. Yes,
Thank you so much for your time until the 2024 Makhlouf Haddadin Lecture. So long. يعطيكم العافية. Thank you.
See you later.
It's a very nice lecture. It's very informative. It's really nice to see such activities and events happening in this university.
I was amazed by the amount of information. And I was amazed also by the amount of effort Professor Graetzel has put into this Graetzel cell.